Karbi Employees Association at Numpenta Sangpi Puhilang Tipiaphan Karcho. Karbi Anglong District Administration Apen Puja Committee Angbong Durga Puja Puthaka Chingwai. Bokajan Block NY Cat Penta Pandit Dindayal Paitham Hankithek Arni Katalondun. Kardom News Time along Penili, Philoban Krupi, Non Birtang Tonben, Architha, Asia Pacific Master Games along Sarah Pentamanong Ikilongdun, Abang Pisang Pipukila in Tipiapan, Chitini Pai Inkora Trok Arni, Karbi Employees Association at Tumpen, Ahemalong Karchoda. Karbi Employees Association at Tumpen Chepatir Pipon, si Sang Pipukila in Tipiapan Karcho, Non Hejong Kipadopon Malaysia, Det Penang along Kipamanbon Asia Pacific Master Games along Sarah Pentamanong A, Chepalongdun si India, Parman Mate Assam Lapen Karbi Anglong Pan Nong Mevanlo. Alang li Karbi Anglong Panong Miki Banajok. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KSA Karbi Lamet Amai Pencheng Long Pen Ana Song Tumpen Karchopon Pado. Lasong Thak Thak si Karbi Employees Association at Tumpenta Ning Karong Pen Karchopon Habirta Riptun Long. Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta Chiphan Pupen Chiting Gora Phoarni Difu Circuit House along Durga Puja Phan Kachesiga Jaimek Pado.
Prayer Cheklo Crate Rock Si Krenar Cap Lapen Crazer Cap Arni Kedoji Durga Puja Aphan Karbi Anglong along Chisik Chidang Pontang Lo Pining Durga Puja Ketalonji Ahemtin along CCTV Mesen Kijun alang Sengme Rabbang Pinso Arlo Kedam Atobar Donang Jipusi Mayalong Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta Kachetong Arada Phan Pachini Durga Puja Lake Ningkreng Ahut Kipado Arong Aje Lasi Keton Kelang Ahin Anta Kelang Pangchim Nang Jiputa Deputy Commissioner Mohanta Pen Puja Committee Kachari Atumaphan Pachini Alang li unte Pining Durga Puja ke Unte Plastic Lapen Polythene NED Nangji Puta Ningje Mayalong ADC Norsing Bay Junumuni Sunuwal Assistant Deputy Commissioner Lapen Dipu Rongsopi Manja Haroghat Puja Committee Atum Chetongdun
Nehru Yuwa Kendra Difotum Kapen Khat Ateng Pen Chitini Pai Inkora Phoarni Bogojan Blogang Kang Parman Hempu Youth Club Paglang Sotum Chipatir Pipen Ada Porpai Kresia Porpen Chandral Terang LP School Hemalok Pantit Dindai Lopadhyam Hankithek Arni Katalonduna Birta Katu Saparang Kepen Birta Nang Pale Gobind Rong Hangpen Kechari Pon Amayalong Maiki Pha Thipi Alam Chunbang Thuniram Signar Pen Sithan Pajermi Ponlo Mayalong Aluhiaman Pen Hanjang Langso Multipurpose Cooperative Society of Chairman Dilli Ram Terang CRC Swaj Bharat Abhiyan Mission Bokajan Block Pen Jitening T HM Mohuri Rongphar HM Chandra Terang Atum Chitongdun Mayalong Chitongdun Aluhia Tumpen Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Kayala Mopathak Si Lam Than Pajermi Ponlo Lapen Chitongdun Atum An Pen Jumisen Lam Than Ponsi Mai Mission Pen Pajun Ponlo Normalam Sopor Pan Birta Moin Tamanik Sina J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435 925 116. J&J Amandu, Difu Karbi Anglong Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family. Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhilan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Aturkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Aturkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people tharbir talong wangthulo. KSA Harukhat College aro amai penjiting kora pho arni college along men ka chathabmi atharia samia tumaphan archusi korwangthu pajir.
Harukhat College along men ka chathabmi atharia asami atum phan chiting kora pho arni KSA Harukhat College aro pen archusi kardom pajir. Siva kanta ingti chipaim pu pen kepado men ka chathabmi atharia asami atumaphan kedenga maya long anglisar po aman pen IAS abarin long ki phangcho chetong du kipachini amaya long Pacheton si arpong along kita alam sai alota college a managing dunmai phu borsing timung arideng pen ingpu arongaje angbong kido amaya long college a principal Taj Udin vice principal Purno Prabha Bora pen chenglok pinan ke theke dingatum chetong du
West Karbi Anglong Rongkhang constituency ki parlo lingding lapen Langhan polling station along MSC Humri mate toramai ki patu damahut Congress HSTC lapen ASTC bang photum BJP along Chingbi dunpose katni salong birta nang pale
Rongkhang constituency ke parlo polling station along MSC Humri mate tor kedeng bom asai chiting ko rap po arni MSC Horen Singh be linding lapen Langhan police station along Humri dam MSC be ka Humri asai kedeng ahot Congress HSDC lapen ASDC klembang pu atum BJP asong along Chingbe dun
Birda bangila pans kang ton boniglo domi thakmi korbang thu